Let's explore the process of creating reports such as instrument lists, equipment takeoffs, and bills of materials. We already know how to filter and view data within the Data Manager and export it into Excel. But for more polished and structured reports, we use an external tool included with the Plant 3D software suite. To get started, open your project. For this example, navigate to the desktop, locate the exercise files folder. In this case, I'll go into Chapter 11 and select the project XML file. You can work on any chapter you want. We're not going to edit this project directly. Instead, we'll review its structure and the associated drawings. You'll notice a P&ID drawing as well as folder piping. This gives a sense of how the files are organized. Next, open the Report Creator application. A quick tip, it's best to launch it with administrator privileges. This can be done by right-clicking on the shortcut and choosing Run as Administrator. Doing this ensures you have access to all required directories. Once Report Creator is open, load the same project file by browsing to it. When you open the project, the data structure displayed in the tool should match what you saw in Project Manager, P&ID, Drawing, and Plant 3 Drawing. You have the flexibility to generate reports in various ways. You can create a full report that includes the entire project data, or you can isolate the output to just one or more specific drawings. Now let's go to the Report Configuration section. This is where you decide what type of report you'd like to create. The available options here are the default ones included with the software. Custom reports can also be added, but those are typically handled by a project administrator. For now, we'll generate a basic equipment list. Using the preview feature, we can see the layout includes file paths, a summary of the output, and the report format currently set to PDF. When previewed, the report displays data such as equipment names, manufacturers, model numbers, suppliers, materials, and weights. If needed, you can switch to a different report template, like an extended equipment list. This version includes more technical details. Each report can be adjusted based on what information you want to extract. You can also explore other report types like drawing lists, instrument lists, and valve lists. Each one shows data specific to its category. Now, let's look at how to control how the data is grouped. Under the settings, you can choose between generating one report for the entire project or separate reports per drawing. For example, selecting one report per drawing will produce individual reports for each file, useful when organizing by section. You can also decide the format PDF or Excel. After configuring this, use the Export option to generate your report. The PDF or Excel file will be saved in the Reports folder within the project directory. Once the reports are created, you can view them by navigating back to the Reports folder. Opening the Excel file shows all the valve data for the project, neatly organized in a spreadsheet. The PDF will present the same information in a print-ready format.